Hello all, this is Vishnupriya Ravi. I'm a software engineering student studying at Federation University IIBIT campus. So, the purpose of this video is to let you know my individual expectation and accomplishment that I have achieved in the past sprint, that is like the sprint 1. To begin with, I would like to say that I'm really glad to participate in this project course, which will help me to get a better understanding of how the real life project will be constructed from scratch in professional environment. I assume that this course will help me to understand more about the software development process and will also help me to construct myself to work or collaborate in a team. Proceeding further, I would like to say that the client which we are working for this project is Bridge Road Westmed Medical Center. So, the main objective of this software development project is to design and develop a web application for Bridge Road Westmed Medical Center. So, the basic requirement of this project is to develop an interactive website which will aim to provide better customer experience in making bookings, scheduling appointments, seeing the doctor's availability, and also the system will send them will send their reminders of their upcoming bookings and follow up checkups and health tips and so on. So that is pretty much the requirements of our project. So to proceed further, what I have accomplished in the past sprint. So initially the plan was to develop a first phase which we started working was planning phase. In planning phase, we determined what is the main scope, objective, and the vision of the project, and we formulated and we created different steps like how we can brief the project requirement of the client, and so hence we created the storyboard which had which had the stakeholders, the project objectives, project scope, and what are the approach that we are going to follow. And then we created a project roadmap that had detailed version of the scope and the user stories. So basically we are doing agile methodology. So this project is being developed in agile methodology. So there are 3 sprints in the project, and hence we created different user stories for the project to be developed, and we assigned priorities to those user stories that we achieved in the second phase while creating the project roadmap. And in the past sprint, like what we have accomplished is we have created a conceptual design of the login and the sign up page, and also we have created a database, and we have established a connection between the database and the application. So basically in database we have created several tables, several tables, and we have fed the data into those tables so that we can access those tables when and if required. So these are the accomplishments that we have achieved in the past sprint, that is sprint 1. Proceeding further, what I have learned from sprint 1. So from sprint 1, the learning is initially we faced a lot of challenges while deciding our DB. We decided to go with MongoDB, which literally took us so much time to do all the data setup, and initially to do the data setup it took us a lot of time than anticipated. So we then moved on to MySQL DB, where we did pretty much okay, and that the lesson that I have learned from sprint 1 is that to plan and execute everything immediately, first to understand the feasibility and then execute the process like anything. So that's what I have learned from the sprint 1. And what could have gone better in sprint 1 is that I would like that there should be more team collaboration that would have happened from the start of the project. I That's what I really felt like. The team collaborated well during the end of the sprint, but that was lacking from the start. They the communication was not proper from the start of the project. That's what I feel like could have gone better in the sprint one. Thank you.